everyone and welcome back to my tutorial. I'm Gargi and in today's tutorial, I'm gonna share with you how to be proactive at your workplace. Bosses, colleagues and customers always appreciate the employees who are proactive. Your level of self-confidence, happiness and satisfaction increases when you are at top of all things and handling tasks more timely and more efficient manner. So being proactive means anticipating what might happen or planning your day in advance instead of reacting to the circumstances. So here I share some quick tips to be proactive at your workplace. First, setting your work desk. So setting your work desk before you start your day will give you a clutter-free work area so that you can have a good and a positive feelings to start your day. This will also give you a focused way of starting your day. Remember, your environment will also play a very important role in your life. Secondly, having your to-do list. So getting a habit of writing down all the tasks in your to-do list will keep you more focused. The best time to write your to-do list is when you end your work day and review your tasks that you have completed versus the pending task. Also assess the new task that you have to complete for the next day and that's there in your plate. Plug the both and compile the to-do list. Third is prioritizing your task. Prioritization starts with listing down all the tasks that you are supposed to do during the day, then ranking them accordingly. Mark them as urgent and non-urgent. Try and complete the task that's urgent and important on priority basis. Get yourself some cushion to cope up with some last moment requests and surprises and some unexpected situations. Do the task which is hard and then followed by the easy task. Or you may also start with doing the easy task which will build up some momentum to continue the task and followed by the hard. What I generally do is I start with the hard task first as we tend to be more focused and motivated in the morning. Fourthly is honing your commitment. Keeping up your commitment at your workplace will strengthen your credibility at your workplace. One reason that we generally tend to forget is because we generally forget things. Make sure that you write down the commitment that you have promised to others. It's important for us to assess our capacity before entering to any new commitment. Plug in the new commitment along with your calendar and monitor the progress accordingly. Next is responding to an email. Try and respond to all the emails within 24 hours. When you receive an email, you quickly determine that if the email is only for your attention and no action required, or it's for your attention and action required immediately or later. If action required immediately, please respond accordingly. If later, please make sure that you acknowledge that email mentioning that you have received that email and you will get back with further details mentioning the deadline. It's very important that we stick to the deadline. Sixth is reviewing your task. Reviewing your task at the end of your workday will give a clear picture of your productivity at the end of the day and will also help you to analyze the pending task so that you can carry forward for the same the next day, and will also help you to be more proactive in the coming days. Finally, take some short break and never skip your meal. Remember that health is wealth. If you take care of your health, you would be more focused so that you can be more proactive and productive at your workplace. So what's next after being proactive? So you don't worry, I will be coming up with the next logical step of after being proactive. To know more about the logical step after being proactive, you just need to stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. If you enjoy watching the video and found this to be meaningful, please do like and share it with your friends and family, and I will catch you all soon with the next video. Till then, you keep honing your proactivity and keep listening to my tutorial.